Hey guys, welcome back to yourrealestate101.com. I'm here with another quick news. Well, for those of you who have been waiting for that hard cash, well, you might be getting it tonight. Since tonight they started to deposit the money December 29, 2020. That's if you qualify. In order to get the full amount, you have to make less than 75,000 per person or 150,000 a couple. The amount will go down by $5 for every $100 you go over. So the amount is $600 per person, per adult, and per kid. Now, the difference between this time and the last time is the last time it was $1,200 per adult and $500 per kid. So that's the big difference. In case you are wondering what happened to that $2,000 that passed the House this week, well, the Senate didn't like it, said hell no. I kind of felt like Congress should stop wasting our time with these bills that they know won't pass. I mean, we have to remember, we hire these people to go out and pass things and do things, not play games. Just in case you are wondering, there are people who will not be getting this payment. If you don't have a social security number, you will not be getting it. If you don't have a green card, you will not be getting it. Also, if you are an adult child and you are a dependent on someone else's income tax, well, most likely your parents or whoever that person is probably the one that's going to get that payment. And if you do receive the money, this is your money. That means that you do not have to pay it back. Now, as a landlord, I say to anyone here listening who's a tenant, go pay your rent. Since clearly the government is rolling cash out the nights before New Year's with the hope that you are going to go spend heavily on items that are heavily taxed. But I say again, pay your rent instead. You want to have a home in January 2021. Now, I'm not sure if I'm the only one. Don't you guys think this is a little bit strange? Since they're going to be going by the tax return that you filed for 2019, as if this year was a normal year and a lot of people were kind of like out of work. Oh, I don't know, but that's what it is. It's a little strange to me, but hey, I'm not going to be the one to judge. One thing I can tell you is this. With this year, 2020, we learned a lot about our politicians. Anyway, well, guys, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, turn on notification bell, and share. And hey, guys, let's just start a conversation.